Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Francie. It's a great day to be a Panther.
The Heritage High School Theater Program is putting on a production of Seussical, a musical based on the books of Dr. Seuss.
The show is tomorrow, November 14th at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. Come out and enjoy a great show. Admission is $5 for students and $7 for adults.
Panthers, are you interested in softball? There will be a softball information meeting for interested players.
The softball meeting will be this Wednesday, November 15th at 3 p.m. in room 2123.
Are you interested in basketball cheer? Tryouts will be this Friday, November 17th in the cheer room after school. Scan the code in this flyer for access to the virtual cheer clinic for November 13th through 16th and learn the routine for tryouts.
You must have your sport physical evaluation paper for tryout. If you have any questions, contact wilfield.felicia@brevardschools.org.
An announcement from our guidance department, they will be sponsoring a lunch bunch game time during lunches.
For more information, see the counselor at lunch.
Students, have you ever flown a drone? Would you like to get 2 drone licenses to obtain a job operating them? A student last year made $20,000 flying drones. We recently obtained about $7,000 worth of equipment, and we will practice flying through gates, racing, and entering competitions.
Interested students must contact Ms. Santana in room 4209. Meetings are every Monday from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. with TSA Club.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!